Hello everyone and welcome to this very special video. My name is Abraham Leal and today I have great news for everyone. So we want to celebrate, we want to thank you guys for all of the support, and we want to use this special times of the year, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, to do so. So for the next 4 days we will have a special super special discount. And we're not gonna go for like a 10% discount, we're not gonna go for like a 20% discount, not even a 50% discount. We're gonna go for a 90% discount code available for you guys down here. I actually have it right around here. Where is it? There we go, right there. Promo code. This is the promo code. So if you go into Udemy down here and you use this promo code, you will be able to get a 90% discount on pretty much all of our courses. There's a couple of exceptions. Give me just 1 second. There we go. So if you are a 3D artist, or if you want to improve some parts of the workflow in your 3D pipeline, then this code will be available for 59 of our courses. Right now we have 61 courses. There's only going to be 2 courses that had a sale very recently. Those are not going to be included, but we're going to be including everything else. The cinematic masterclass with Maya, the complete guide to Marvelous Designer, complete guide to Marmoset, complete guide to Maya, complete guide to ZBrush. We're going to include the environment courses. We're going to include the Blender courses, the 3D printing course, the character courses, the animation courses. I know I'm going to be watching some of this, especially like the environment ones. I've been very curious about some of the workflows that are being used in this one. So if you want to check this out, make sure to jump down here into the description. The link should be down here. But I'm also, where it is? There we go. Big super code right there on the screen. There we go. This code right here that you're seeing, that's the promo code BF Black Friday 2022, 90% discount on all of our courses. Remember, all of our courses are complete, like there's usually no time skips. We show you every single part of the process. They include the all of the project files so that you can follow along. And recently, some of you might have noticed this, we've been doing a 24-hour question answered for your questions or issues or things that you might find throughout the course. If you leave us a question on the sites, we will try to get you back as soon as possible, at least in 24 hours. So I've been answering a lot of questions from you guys from the processes in that part of the site. So make sure to make good use of that. And yeah, I mean, again, there's so much content right here. I know some of the courses might be a little bit older. They might be using like older tools and stuff, but that doesn't mean that most of those stuff is no longer like usable. Remember that with art and with all of the skills that we use, things get improved upon time, but the basics, the foundations are really important. We have the modeling course for beginners instead of Blender, the Substance Painter basics. Some of them are free, by the way, but anatomy, like there's so much stuff, guys. So much stuff. And don't worry, we're gonna continue with more 3D. I'm gonna come back tomorrow to continue with the Pokeball. I actually already did like a test pass. Just a quick sneak peek of tomorrow. There we go. We're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how to texture the Pokeball. But that's not the important part right now, because right now, again, we have the 90% discount. That's the biggest discount we've had the whole year. We normally discount the courses, but not all of them. So if you've been waiting to get one of our courses, this is the perfect time. That's it, guys. I'm really happy to be sharing this news with you. Hopefully you are as well. Thank you very much for all of the support throughout this whole year. We're gonna keep pushing forward. It's thanks to you that we can create all of this amazing content. Let's go back here real quick. There we go. The hair card creation for games, the My Environment creation for film, like all of this, guys. Like again, 69 or 59 courses are gonna be discounted with a 90% discount. So that's it, guys. If you want to help us out, make sure to spread the word. There's a share button down here. You can subscribe, you can turn on the little bell icon so that you get the notifications and you're the first to know about this one. I'll keep reminding you guys about this discount for the next couple of days, so bear with me. But yeah, that's it, guys. Happy Black Friday, happy Thanksgiving to anyone who celebrated yesterday. I hope you had a great time with your families, and let's keep going for more 3D stuff. This is it for now. I'll see you back on the next one. Bye-bye.